Nowadays, the 1979 new pence 2 coin could potentially be sold for around £800 according to the Coin Hunter website. However, if the coin was part of a special set, then it could reach up to £1,000. In May, a coin set including the 1979 new pence 2 coin went for £999 on eBay. 1979 2 new pence coin from the United Kingdom is not generally considered a valuable or rare coin. These coins were produced in large quantities and were in circulation for an extended period of time. As a result, their value is primarily tied to their face value and their condition. In terms of value, a 1979 2 new pence coin is typically worth its face value of 2 pence if it is in regular circulated condition. However, if the coin is in uncirculated or mint condition, it may have a slightly higher value to collectors. Still, it's important to note that these coins are not among the most sought-after collectibles, so their value is relatively modest compared to older or rarer coins. And the historical context of the 2 new pence coin. Please note that while this information may be informative and interesting to collectors and enthusiasts, it may not significantly affect the coin's value. The 2 new pence coin from 1979 is part of a series of decimal coins introduced in the United Kingdom in 1971, marking the transition from the previous system of pounds, shillings, and pence to the decimal system. This change aimed to simplify the currency and make calculations easier for consumers and businesses. Here are some key points about the 1979 2 new pence coin. Verse, front, of the coin features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, as is customary on British coinage. The reverse, back, of the coin displays a stylized representation of a plume of feathers, which is the heraldic badge of the Prince of Wales. The design was created by Christopher Ironside. The 2 new pence coin from 1979 is composed of copper nickel, a common material used in many modern British coins. This alloy provides durability and helps prevent tarnishing. Large numbers of these coins were minted in 1979, and they continued to be produced in subsequent years. As such, they are not considered rare by numismatic standards. While the 1979 2 new pence coin may not be highly sought after by serious coin collectors, some individuals collect these coins as part of a broader collection of British decimal coins or as a representation of a specific year. The value of these coins primarily depends on their condition. Circulated coins with signs of wear and tear are generally worth their face value of 2 pence. Uncirculated or mint condition coins may have a slightly higher value but are still relatively modest in comparison to other collectible coins. Now that we've covered the basics of the 1979 2 new pence coin, let's explore some additional topics related to British currency, coin collecting, and the historical context of decimalization. Decimalization was a significant milestone in the history of British currency. Before the introduction of decimal coinage in 1971, the United Kingdom used a complex system of pounds, shillings, and pence. In this system, there were 12 pence in a shilling and 20 shillings in a pound. This made everyday transactions and calculations cumbersome. Decimalization aimed to simplify the currency system by introducing a straightforward base 10 system. Under the new system, 1 pound was divided into 100 new pence. 1 shilling was equivalent to 5 new pence. 1 penny remained the same, now equivalent to 1 new pence. Decimalization was accompanied by an extensive public awareness campaign to educate people about the new coins and their values. This transition was a significant change for the British public, as they had to adapt to the new currency system and understand its denominations. Decimal coins, like the 2 new pence coin, played a crucial role in daily transactions after the introduction of the decimal system. These coins were used for various purposes, including making purchases, giving change, and facilitating economic activities. The 2 new pence coin was particularly useful for small transactions. It was equivalent to 2% of a pound, making it convenient for items priced at a few pence. Over time, these coins became a familiar sight in people's wallets and purses. Coin collecting, also known as numismatics, is a popular hobby worldwide. Collectors are drawn to coins for various reasons, including their historical significance, artistic design, and the thrill of discovery. While some coins command high prices in the collector's market, others, like the 1979 2 new pence coin, are more accessible and are often collected as part of a broader series or set. Collectors may focus on specific themes, time periods, or coin types. Some may specialize in British coins, while others may collect coins from